Hi guys, it's Kaylin. I have been with LivBaylash for 2 years now, and in today's video we are going to be talking about the importance of patch testing. Patch testing is when you are going to bring your client in prior to their initial appointment with you to check and make sure they don't have any existing allergies to tape, lash adhesive, or eye pads. When doing a patch test, I am going to do everything I normally would do on my dominant side. So my dominant side is my right side, and I'm going to use eye pads, blue tape, and black glue on my dominant side. On my left side, my non-dominant side, I'm going to use only tape and clear glue to see which one she has a reaction to, if she has a reaction at all. As I am lashing her with the black and the clear glue, I am going to place short classic lashes throughout her lash line. I'm going to put about 10 lashes on each eye to ensure that if she was going to have a flare-up, that it would occur within that 24 to 48 hour period that I have her wait until her first initial set with me. We hope this video brought a ton of value to you, and we'll see you in the next video.